Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make record a fillable text field using PDF-XChange Editor. I'll make this top this required. Now select this form option, this top menu, and here you will find the select field option. Drag your mouse over selected field and press right button and select properties option. This right side properties panel. Here you will find this required option. Now reactive required no, and click on this box and this is a down arrow and so we select yes and select hand option and say this red color are showing and it is essential for required must be fill up. Also I'll make this one required, select field, press right button and select properties and this required option yes hand option and say this, and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.